In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Claude in VS Code so you can bring an AI coding assistant right into your editor and streamline your workflow. Let's start by opening Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, make sure you download the latest version from the official website and install it first. Once VS Code is open, you'll be looking at the main editor window with the activity bar on the far left side. That's the vertical strip containing icons for things like Explorer, Search, Source Control, and more. To add Claude to VS Code, we need to open the extensions view. There are two simple ways to do this. The quickest is to use the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl, Shift, and X on your keyboard at the same time. If you prefer clicking, look at the left activity bar and click the icon that looks like 4 squares or blocks arranged in a grid. Either method will open the extensions panel on the left side of your screen. In the extensions view, you'll see a search box at the top. Click into that search field and type Claude Code. You're looking for the extension published by Anthropic, so check that the name includes Claude Code and that the publisher is listed as Anthropic. This helps you make sure you're installing the correct official extension and not a lookalike. Once you've found Claude Code by Anthropic in the results list, click on it to open the detail page. Here, you can quickly scan the description, see screenshots, and confirm it matches what you expect. On this page, you'll see an Install button, usually near the top left of the panel. Go ahead and click Install. VS Code will download and install the extension for you. This normally takes just a few moments depending on your connection. After the installation completes, VS Code might show a brief notification confirming that Claude Code is now installed. You typically don't need to restart the editor, but if you run into any issues or don't see the new icon appear, closing and reopening VS Code is a simple fix. With the extension installed, now it's time to open the Claude panel. Look again at the activity bar on the far left. You should now see a new icon that looks like a spark. This is the Claude icon. Click that spark icon to open the Claude panel. The Claude panel will slide open, usually on the left or right side of your editor, depending on your layout. From here, you can start interacting with Claude alongside your code. You can keep your files open in the main editor area while using the Claude panel for suggestions, explanations, or help with your current project. If you often use Claude, consider leaving the panel open while you work and getting comfortable switching between the Explorer view and the Claude view using the icons in the activity bar. Over time, this will become a natural part of your coding routine. That's all you need to get started. Open VS Code, install the Claude Code extension from the extensions view, and then click the spark icon in the activity bar to bring up the Claude panel. From here, you're ready to explore what Claude can do to help with your coding inside VS Code.